Welcome class 6. We will continue with exercise 16C of chapter percent. So question number 6. Out of a salary of rupees 13,500, I keep 1/3 as savings. Of the remaining money, I spend 50% on food and 20% on house rent. How much do I spend on food and house rent? So here we'll write the solution. So the salary total amount is rupees 13,500. Total salary is equal to rupees 13,500. So I keep 1/3 as savings. So savings is equal to 1/3 means 1/3 fraction of the income 13,500. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, okay, 15, 3 fives are 15 and 00. So savings is rupees 4,500. Now of the remaining, so from here, if the total salary is 13,500 and savings is 4,500, therefore the remaining amount of money will be equal to rupees 13,500 minus rupees 4,500. So you will get 0, 0, 0. 13 minus 4 is 9. So rupees 9,000 is the left amount of money or the remaining amount of money. Now, out of the remaining amount of money, 50% is spent on food. So money spent on food. Money spent on food, which is equal to 50% of the remaining amount of money, that is of rupees 9,000, which is equal to 50 by 100 of rupees 9,000. So zeros can be cancelled. Then we have 9 into 5 is 45, and a 0 and 0 from here, 00. So that gives us rupees 4,500. That is the money spent on food is rupees 4,500. And the house rent is 20%. So we can write down house rent directly. House rent, which is 20% of, again the remaining money is 9,000. So that is 20 by 100 of 9,000. Zeros cancel. So we'll get rupees 9 into 2 is 18 and the 00. So rupees 1800 becomes the house rent. So we can mark these as the answers. So the first one is rupees 4,500 is the first answer. Then we have second answer is rupees 1800 as the second answer. So the two answers are, these two are the answers of question number 6. Next we move on with question number 8. Question number 8 says, in an election there are a total of 80,000 voters and two candidates A and B. 80% of the voters go to the polls, out of which 60% vote for A. How many votes does B get? Sorry. So there are total of 80,000 voters. Total number of voters is equal to 80,000. Okay, and there are two candidates A and B. So out of 80,000 voters, 80% go for the polls. So number of voters polling vote is equal to 80% of 80,000. That gives us 80 by 100 of 80,000. Where we can cancel the two zeros. So 8 into 8 is 64. Then we have got a 0, 0, 0, 3 zeros. That gives us 64,000 people went for polling the vote. So out of which 60% vote was for A. So number of votes for A, number of votes for A is equal to 60% of the votes polled, that is 60% of 64,000. So that is equal to 60 by 100 of 64000, where we can cancel the two zeros. So we'll get 0, 0, a double 0 out here. 6 into 4 is 6 4s are 24, 6 6s are 36, 37, 38. So 38,400 is the votes for A. And the number of votes for B, number of votes for B. So if 64,000 is the total vote, then we can subtract 38,400 and we get the number of votes for B. So here we get 600. Then okay, this is 8 and here this is 13. So here we get 5. Then this becomes 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. So 25,600. So number of votes for B will be 25,600 votes. That goes for B. And this is the required answer. Next, question number 10. Only 1/5 of water is available in liquid form. 1/5 of water. This limited amount of water is replenished and used by man recurrently. Express this information as percent showing water available in liquid form. So only 1/5 of water is available in liquid form. So we can write down this as the liquid form of water, liquid form of water is given as 1/5, 1 by 5. Okay, liquid form of water is 1 by 5. This limited amount of water is replenished and used by man recurrently. So we have to express this information as percent showing water available in liquid form. So liquid form of water is 1/5, that is given in the question. Now 1/5, in order to convert it into percentage, we'll multiply with 100%. So 1/5, 5 will cancel this, 20 times. So 20% of water is in the liquid form. Okay. Then the water available in the frozen form, then out of 100%, if 20% is liquid form, then the remaining amount must be in frozen form. So water available, this is number 2 by the way, water available in frozen form must be equal to 100% minus 20%, that gives us 80%. So this 80% of water is in the frozen form. So firstly the answer is 20%. Alright, then we have 80% as the water in the frozen form, and these two are the required answers.